Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. So today we have to start with the remaining part of transformation of sentences. So over here few remembering points have been given in the box. Just see the points to remember. First one, if a sentence contains negative words like never, seldom, hardly ever, we generally use positive question tags. So it was explained to you before also. Whenever the sentence is in negative, generally we are using positive question tags in order to convert it into interrogative sentence. Like, she never comes late. Does she? We don't keep our country clean, do we? It hardly ever rains in a desert, does it? And second one point is, if the main subject is everybody, everyone, somebody, someone, nobody or no one, we use the subject they in the question tag. For example, everybody loves her, don't they? No one objected, did they? Everyone agreed, didn't they? So, now let us see how to convert imperative sentences into interrogative. An imperative sentence can be changed into an interrogative sentence and vice versa. Few examples have been given over here, like imperative sentence, stop talking. So what will be its interrogative? Will you stop talking? Please get me a glass of water. It's imperative. Will you get me a glass of water, please? This is interrogative. Few more examples I would like to share with you. Like, imperative is stop it. So what will be interrogative? Will you stop it? Now, suppose I am giving you another example. Come here. Interrogative will be, will you come here? So, now you are having over here B exercise. You can see first one I have just discussed with you. Come here. You have to change it into interrogative. So it will be, will you come here? Second one, it is a great victory. So you have to change it into interrogative again. So it will be, is it a great victory? Stop talking. You have to convert this imperative sentence again into interrogative. So the answer will be, will you stop talking? What a great pleasure. Now this is an exclamatory one. So again you have to convert it now into declarative. So it will be, it was a great pleasure. So all these exercises are based on the previous topics which have been taught to you in this chapter. Fifth one point, did they enjoy themselves at the party? You have to change this interrogative sentence into declarative. So a simple statement will be, they enjoyed themselves at the party. Rest from 6 to 12. Try to do it by yourself. I will be uploading very soon a PDF along with it. You can go through it, but before that try to do the answers of your own. Now, from affirmative to negative. An affirmative sentence can be changed into a negative sentence and vice versa, with a change in meaning. For example, first of all you can say with a change in meaning. My sister lives in Bhatinda. This is an affirmative sentence. Negative will be, my sister does not live in Bhatinda. I have many friends. Affirmative. I have no friends. Negative. Again, over there it was with a change in the meaning. So entirely the meaning has been changed in these two examples which I have just given you. Now we'll be discussing with few examples in which the meaning is not at all been changed and the sentence has been converted from affirmative to negative. Like, you have to do over here using not plus the prefix. Prefix means in the beginning you have to add a particular word in which by which the word becomes completely opposite to the word given in the affirmative sentence. Like, he is honest. Negative will be he is not dishonest. See, if you are just writing he is dishonest, now the meaning will be entirely changed, because in affirmative you said he is honest, and over here if you will be saying he is dishonest, then definitely the sentence becomes entirely opposite. And if you are saying he is not honest, again it will be entirely different sentence. So in order to keep the meaning same, the sentence has been transformed using not plus a prefix. That is, he is not dishonest. She is comfortable. She is not uncomfortable. Again, if you are writing she is not comfortable, it will change the entire meaning. So over here we have to add a prefix again to along with the not. That is, she is not uncomfortable. Now for the words with suffixes. It was thoughtless of you to say so. It was not thoughtful of you to say so. Suffix is what? Adding something at the end of a particular word. Over here you can see with thought it's been added less, and in the negative it's been added full, but with a not. Not plus a suffix. Change in the suffix you can say. It was thoughtless of you to say so. It was not thoughtful of you to say so. She is clueless about how to do the work. She has no clue. Over here you can see less has been removed and it became clue. And over here this was she is clueless. Over here it became she has no clue. So no word has been added to it in order to form it as a negative sentence. Using not plus opposite words. He is a good boy. Now, when you have to change it into a negative one, you will be saying he is not a good boy. Next, this dress is cheap. This dress is not expensive. Now, using no one, nothing, nowhere. Everyone found the play interesting. What will be its negative one? No one found the play uninteresting. The meaning is same. With interesting, a prefix has been added, and no word has been added in order to make it as a negative sentence. But the meaning has not been changed. Again, this is the only thing I want. I want nothing but this thing. Now, change always to never. How you can change always into never? There is always scope for you to make amends. It is never too late for you to make amends. So always has been changed into never. Changing to so that. The crash victim was too weak to walk. So its negative sentence will be the crash victim was so weak that he could not walk. So hopefully it's been clear to you all. You all have to go through it. You all have to do practice also. Along with it, I'll be discussing with you all again few parts of this exercise as well of C part, and then you have to do of your own, and the PDF will be shared to you on eCare portal. You all can go through that after doing it all the exercises by yourself first of all. Now, change these sentences into negative sentences without changing their meaning. First one, he is honest. He is not dishonest. Iron is a heavy metal. You have to convert it into a negative one. It will be iron is not a light metal. So opposite of heavy is light. He is always on time. He is never late. Everyone liked the lecture. No one disliked the lecture. I shall never forget you. I shall always remember you. So, over here again I have discussed with you first 5 parts of this exercise. Rest you have to do of your own. Hopefully you all have understood it. You all can go to the entire lesson once again, and you all have to do all the exercises. Now, all the exercises need not be done in the copies. I'll be giving you in the PDF only what you all have to do in your notebooks. I'll be mentioning over there. You all can just go through that. Thank you.